Yon men, meron na naman tayong bagong package from Miris Perfume. So, i-unbox lang natin siya real quick. So, okay. Another tubular bottle. Tapos, etong masikip, mahigpit at madiin na plastic. Talagang parang kailangan mong i-cutter bago mo buksan. Ganon ka solid na yun. This is their take on PR Phantom and napakabangis men. Citrusy, vanillic na may pagka-lavender and aromatics. Napakabango. I-rest muna natin. Matic yan. And then saka natin i-try. I-full test, i-full wear. Any performance testing, itong Miris Perfume. Their take on PR Phantom. Miris Perfumes, thank you so much.